Roses are red, violets are blue. God made you beautiful. Yeah, what the hell happened to you? Will you go out with me? No. What was my question? Will you go out with me? Yes, I will. Where's your report card? My friend stole it from me at school, so now I don't have it. Do you think I'm stupid enough to believe that lie? What lie? That you have friends? I am here for you. Thanks, I'm going through a tough time, so it means a lot. And sorry I lost all my contacts. Who is this? This is your Uber driver. I am here to pick you up. Oh. Hey, how's your girlfriend? What are you talking about? I don't have a girlfriend. Ha! Obviously I know. Just reminding you, Rex. Hey, how's your mom?